the situation of vulnerable children in the world requires partnerships. And it requires partnerships to not only tell the story about what happens to them better, but it also requires partnerships to provide better services to them. So there's a whole range of issues where a partnership like the one between WCC and UNICEF can actually make a critical difference in the lives of children. And this could be for children uprooted, children who have been forced to be displaced from their homes, or children who have been migrants or left behind by migrating parents. These are situations where children are often invisible statistically. They're outside national systems that can provide protection, and it is faith-based organizations that are very often in the front line, that actually are in the communities, in the places where children and families live, that can find and know where these children are and can provide the services that they need. UNICEF, on the other hand, we can provide our voice, our reach and our global expertise to scale up those services and support programs that work. There are solutions in the world for children uprooted. There are solutions in the world whether it is children that are actually through poverty facing risks of acute destitution, or children that are facing risks in their second decade of life as adolescents, girls, boys who are thrown off track, whether it's by getting out of education or not finding the life skills or the opportunities to start their own lives as independent adults. These are situations where partnerships between faith-based organizations, between community frontline workers and UN organizations like UNICEF and others can be the critical clue, can be the link that makes what happens on the ground connect with decisions that are taken at national and at global level. And this is why the strength of these partnerships is so important.